Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates and information on everything related to technology. Today, we will be discussing how to update your Aadhaar card details online. Aadhaar card is one of the most important documents that every Indian citizen must have, and keeping it up to date is crucial. So, let's dive in and find out how to update Aadhaar card details online. First of all, let's discuss why it is important to keep your Aadhaar card details updated. Aadhaar card is a unique identification card that contains all your personal information, such as your name, date of birth, address, and biometric details. It is used for various purposes, such as opening bank accounts, getting a SIM card, filing income tax returns, and much more. Therefore, it is essential to keep your Aadhaar card up to date to avoid any inconvenience. Moving on to the process of updating your Aadhaar card details online. The first step is to visit the official website of UIDAI, which is the Unique Identification Authority of India. Once you are on the website, you need to click on the Update Aadhaar Card Details link. You will then be redirected to a new page where you need to enter your Aadhaar number and capture code. After that, you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number, which you need to enter on the next page. Once you have entered the OTP, you will be directed to a new page where you can select the details that you want to update. You can update your name, address, date of birth, gender, mobile number, and email address. You need to select the details that you want to update and fill in the new information. After that, you need to upload the relevant documents to support the changes you have made. Once you have uploaded the documents, you need to review the changes and submit your request. You will receive a earn or update request number, which you can use to track the status of your request. It usually takes around 10 to 15 days for the changes to reflect in your Aadhaar card. So, there you have it, folks. Updating your Aadhaar card details online is a simple and straightforward process that can save you a lot of time and effort. Remember to keep your Aadhaar card up to date to avoid any inconvenience. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.